everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to make your own basic obby with no scripting required. Before we get into the video, make sure you subscribe to the channel and like the video so you don't miss out on any future content. Let's get right into it. First, we already have our spawn, but we need to create it so the player will spawn here. The way you can do that is by going to the model section at the top of your screen, going over to right here where it says spawn and pressing that button. Next, you're going to move the spawn exactly where you want it, which I want it in the middle, right here, and then edit it so it's invisible. You're going to start by going into the spawn and deleting this thing called a decal. That is basically the image on top of the spawn. Next, you're going to turn cast shadow off, set transparency to 1, lock it, and set can collide to false. Once you do that, you're going to name this spawn. Next is a very important part. You need to insert teams, each for a different stage. This is how you do that. Inside the model section, you're going to press service, select teams, and press insert. Once you've done that, you can go press add team and add your lobby team. I'm just going to call this lobby and make the team color a nice gray. Now that I've created my lobby, you're going to have auto assignable checked and have everything else set. Now I'm going to rename this lobby spawn, although what the name doesn't matter, you can name it whatever you want. And I'm going to scroll down, check allow team change on touch, uncheck neutral, and set the team color to the same color we set the team to. Once we've done that, if we load in, we already have our lobby set up, and we will be on the lobby team. Next, I'm going to show you guys how to make a basic stage. So we're going to start by creating the starting platform. I'm going to start with my starting platform I've already made, but you can use whatever you want. It does not have to be like this. So I'm going to move this out and just scale it down a little bit. And once you have your starting platform set up, it's also worth checking if the jumps are makeable, because the player can only jump about a maximum of 6 to 7 studs unless you change their jump height or speed. So you can check that by setting your movement to 1 stud and seeing how far away this is from the other platform. I'm going to put it about this far away, so it's right here. Next, I'm just going to name this red starting platform and make the outside red. Once you've set up your starting platform, you need to make the red team. So you're going to duplicate the lobby team. I'm going to name it red stage. And you're going to set the team color to whatever the stage color is. I'm going to set it to really red because this is red stage. Now the most important part is to go into the data section of properties and uncheck auto assignable, or else you will randomly be assigned to the red team. Next, we're going to take our lobby spawn, move it onto the red platform, go down and set the team color to the same color as the team. Now, if we go into game, we will start out on team lobby, but if we go and jump onto the red platform, we will go on red stage. And the reverse, if we go to the lobby spawn, we will go back onto the lobby stage. Now, you're free to create your brand new obby. You can just create stages from here and create more starting platforms. I hope you all enjoyed this basic tutorial. If you want to see more tutorials just like this one, make sure you subscribe to the channel and like the video. See you in the next video.